What's up, y'all? Every penny counts. I'm on this site, PRIZEREBel. I'm going to cash out probably like $5. I got, I don't know if you can see it or not, but I got 860 points right there in my account. So real quick, I'm going to show you my routine. I was fairly simple. I just go and do your surveys, Samplicious, and then every now and then I do some peanut labs. Tap research is good too, but mainly you want to do your surveys and Samplicious. Those are off top. Just click on your survey, show you real quick. I think you'll get paid 75 cents for each one that you attempt, but then they have other ones. Right now it's not a lot because apparently a lot of people are doing them, so you just want to make sure you actually just try these as well, just not the 75-cent one, because what happens is sometimes they'll have ones that are easier to do, like these. And your daily survey, I mean, you can do those unlimited times, but these kind of run out. They aren't as many as this one right here, if that makes any sense. So that's what I do when it comes to that. Then I go over here to Samplicious, and I do these. You can really do like, I think 2 of these a day, 85 cents, and they're very easy. I mean, these surveys take like 10-15 minutes, go through, bang it out. To be honest with you, they're kind of easier than your surveys. For whatever reason, I found it to be easier. But your survey sometimes is like they can kick you out, but Samplicious, the disqualification rate really is low for whatever reason. I don't know what it is. I'm not complaining about it, but I rarely get kicked out of Samplicious surveys, so that's why it's important to do it. And on top of that, they pay 85 cents, so it's even more than your surveys. But I still try your survey just because it's just an easy way for me to reach my daily goal, which I'm going to show you again as well. Like I said, they also have peanut labs. You can do peanut labs, are like easy surveys, 5-minute, 10-minute surveys. Tap research, same thing. You can do some offers in the offer wall, like ad gate, offer Turo, things like that. Up here, AdSense media. What I'm saying? Just a lot of things, just signing up for free, confirming your email, getting points, things like that. You can also watch videos. Video section right here. You can get paid for every 3 videos that you watch. So what I like to tell people to do is have a different window, not a different tab, but a different window, and let your videos run in the background. And that way you can get paid for that. Every 3 videos you're going to get 0.55, and you just let it run. It'll run all day, and just sit back and collect your points. Very, very easy to do. So I just want to show you that real quick video on PRIZEREBel. Like I said, I'm going to cash out. So let me go to rewards. Right here, I'm going to actually get you can see here you can get PayPal, Amazon. They have actually a minimum, I think the minimum to cash out in this site is $2. Yeah, $2 is the minimum, because I know somebody said a $5 minimum. I was like, nah, it's not $5, because they're you can get a $2 gift card on Amazon, and I know a lot of people like Amazon. So all you need is $2 to cash out in this site, and you can get your Amazon card. You can get your Apple iTunes. You can get $3 Dunkin' Donuts, things like that. But if you want PayPal, then you have to get $5. So I just wanted to clarify that. That's just something you can get. But for me, I'm going to actually get a Visa gift card, and I'm going to show you why. I'm type in Visa in the search box. Click on Go. Because I'm a Gold member, I get a discount on my reward. So I click on this right here. And you see here, it's a discounted cost, so 495 points are they going to take. So I'm basically save 5 points. I'm actually have more than that because I have 860. I'm only cashing out $5. So I'm going to claim this item. It's going to ask me my email and all that stuff. So, and the thing about it is, this site is it pays you instantly. All right. So I'm going to claim this item real quick. Just like that. It's going to ask me, are you sure you want to claim this prize? I say, okay. And bam, just like that. It'll ask me, you want to share, all that kind of good stuff, but you don't have to do any of that. So I'm gonna go back over here to cash out. Back over to the home page real quick. You see my balance. It went down 365 points. And like I told you, this site, it pays instantly. So I'm gonna actually show you on my phone. Them actually sending me my request for payment. So you see here, your PRIZEREBel reward, all that kind of good stuff. It's been received, blah, blah, blah. That's at 10:21. I'm gonna show you the email that they're going to send me, confirming that I actually got the gift card. So just keep in mind it is 10:21. Let's see how long it takes for them. It probably takes like 5 minutes, but let's just see how long it takes for them to actually send me that. So I'm gonna pause the video real quick on that. Okay, I apologize because I realized since I got a Visa gift card that it's going to take a while for them to ask, because they have to actually put a card together and send it to me in the email. They have to, get numbers and all that stuff. So they're going to give it to me within 24 hours. But I do want to show you that once you become a gold member, you do get automatic prize processing, which basically means if you get like PayPal or Amazon, which are like the popular ones, you do get those instantly. But the fact that I got a Visa gift card, it wasn't instant, but it's going to be here within 24 hours, so that's still good. So I just want to show you guys that I don't have the proof, but I do have other videos of me showing I got paid instantly with PayPal on PRIZEREBEL, so definitely check those out. The link to this site will be in the description. It's a site that's been around a long time. It's very, very trustworthy. It's like one of the top get paid to sites. It's really one of my favorites, so I highly encourage you guys to sign up with it today. Start making money with it. Of course, if you're new to my channel, this is your first video that you've seen from me, don't hesitate to subscribe, because all my videos are geared towards showing you guys how to make free money online, without any money out of your pocket. Basically, you're just putting money in your PayPal account. You're getting Amazon cards, other free gift cards, Visa gift cards like I did in this video. It's just a lot of different ways you can make money, and I'm going to show you all of those with all the videos that I have on my channel. So definitely subscribe and get started with this site by clicking the link on the description, signing up, verifying your account, and start making money with it today. And the most important thing to remember is every penny counts.